This is Mark Kappa, Senior Product Manager at AVer. We are here at InfoComm 2026. We are showcasing our line of video bar products, possibly one of the best kept secrets in AV. You know AVer for our cameras. We also do USB-based video bars. So what we have on display here is the low end and the high end range of our video bars. On the top, we are launching our VB150. This is our huddle room product with 113-degree horizontal field of view, 76-degree vertical field of view. Let's not forget the people sitting on the edges of the panel, of the side of the room, because they need to be kept in focus as well. So that 76-degree vertical field of view is very important to them. And then on the bottom here, we have our medium large room video bar. This is our VB350. This features dual lenses. So one is 113-degree horizontal field of view for those people sitting up close. That also drives our AI functions for our room. And then on the top, we have a 92-degree field of view. That's for the longer throw. That's for the people sitting at the back of the room. And then the camera will seamlessly transition between the wide angle and the narrower field of view, so it's transparent to the user. Both products are USB, so you can connect them to a Microsoft Teams room or Zoom room solution on Windows. Also, it is a part of a complete line of video bars that have single cable BYOD. So if that is your deployment model, you can get 3 models across the board. So please stop by, catch us at InfoComm, or check us out on averusa.com.